a biofuel-powered icemobile, wireless sensors that monitor humans, the environment and machines, a 3,600-kilometre journey across an inhospitable wilderness. Sounds like the ingredients for a good novel. In fact, it's the latest scientific expedition that Imperial researchers are taking part in.
We're partnering with Imperial College and we're going right away across Antarctica. We're going 3,600 kilometres, it's going to take about 40 days, and we're going from the edge of Antarctica to the South Pole and right the way across to McMurdo. We're going to demonstrate that you can travel around Antarctica, partner with people with the excellence of Imperial College, which are producing some amazing technology to allow us to collect data from places that no one's ever been in the world. And that data is going to be crucially important to finding solutions to problems which do exist.
Professor Toumazou, who's the head of the Institute of Biomedical Engineering, told me about Imperial's involvement in the project.
Well, Imperial College has a fantastic critical mass of technologies, both in healthcare, the environment, energy, and it's the application of these technologies to try and solve some of these major global, international and technological problems. And using the Transantarctic ice vehicle would be fantastic as a demonstration of the sorts of technologies that we can develop here at the college.
Tell us about some of the Imperial technology that will be used on this expedition.
Some of the healthcare monitors that we're developing in the Institute will be used for continuous monitoring for some of the vital signs of the expedition team. Then we've got some environmental sensors monitoring the environment, biofuels and some novel solar panel technology. This whole array of technologies is coming from some of the key institutes within Imperial College.
The Winston Wong bio-inspired ice vehicle will play a crucial role in helping the team to navigate around dangerous ice crevasses.
It's fitted with ground-penetrating radar at the front, which we're going to be recording to tell us about the state of the ice, to identify crevasses and prepare a safe journey. It's powered by biofuel, so we're looking at the use of alternative fuels and alternative energies in Antarctica to try and reduce the impacts of Antarctic science. We're going to be fitting the exhaust with these sensors to measure the concentrations of the pollutants as they come out of the vehicle. And that will tell us second by second what the emissions profile is like and how these vehicles are contributing to environmental impacts on the journey.
Can you explain to us the other types of sensor technologies that you'll be using on the expedition?
In addition to what we're doing with the bio-inspired ice vehicle, we're also equipping the 2 science support vehicles, which are 6-wheel drive trucks that we hope will make doing Antarctic research much easier in future. We're equipping those with a set of sensors to monitor the atmospheric conditions across the trajectory, both met data for weather, but also local pollutant information. We're also looking at positioning research, so we're investigating the performance of GPS systems and using some of that data and the signals from the satellites to tell us something about the ionospheric conditions around Antarctica.
Well, this is an example of a very, very unique healthcare monitor which will sit on the body and continuously measure the team's vital signs. And what I mean by that, the respiration rate, the heart rate, the temperature, the movement of the individual. And the key to this technology is that it is continuous, mission control back to base via satellite, and more importantly, because it's continuous monitoring, then it becomes early detection. So things like hypothermia, for example, can be detected early enough, meaning that it becomes preventative medicine. So that's the key to this healthcare monitoring. It's never been used in these harsh, extreme conditions before. So it'd be a great demonstration of the robustness of Imperial's technology.
We're going places that no one's ever been before. There's no maps, there's no telephones to get you out of there. The people can't come and save you if you're down a crevasse, because a crevasse could be a kilometre deep and a few hundred yards wide, and then they're not always visible. So therefore crevasses are the big issue. The cold and breakdown with vehicles, those are the key things. It's 3,600 kilometres of the hardest terrain on the planet.
The team will depart from Patriot Hills in Antarctica and then on to the South Pole, finally finishing their expedition at McMurdo Station on the other side of the continent.